Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and what better way to celebrate than with a delicious and festive appetizer that's perfect for all your holiday gatherings. Today, we're making a show-stopping Christmas tree appetizer that's not only easy to assemble but also packed with flavor. So grab your aprons, gather your ingredients, and let's get decorating. Ingredients: 1 sheet of puff pastry dough, thawed. 1 cup chopped spinach. 1/2 cup ricotta cheese. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup chopped red bell pepper. 1/4 cup chopped green olives. 1/4 cup chopped sun-dried tomatoes. 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil. 1 egg yolk. 1 tablespoon milk. Salt and pepper to taste. Toothpicks. Rosemary sprigs, optional. Yellow bell pepper star, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. In a bowl, combine the spinach, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, bell pepper, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, and basil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 3. Unroll the puff pastry dough and lightly spread it with the egg yolk mixed with milk. 4. Spread the spinach mixture evenly over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border around the edge. 5. Starting from the bottom, roll up the dough tightly, forming a log. Pinch the edges to seal. 6. Cut the log in half, then curve each half into a crescent shape to resemble a Christmas tree. Secure with toothpicks if needed. 7. Place the tree on the prepared baking sheet and brush with the remaining egg wash. 8. Bake for 20–25 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. 9. Let the tree cool slightly before removing the toothpicks. 10. Optional. Decorate your tree with rosemary sprigs for branches and a yellow bell pepper star for the top. Tips and tricks. You can customize this recipe with your favorite ingredients. Try adding chopped ham, sausage, or even mozzarella cheese. If you don't have puff pastry dough, you can use pizza dough or crescent rolls. Serve your Christmas tree appetizer with a variety of dipping sauces, such as marinara sauce, pesto, or ranch dressing. This appetizer can be made ahead of time and reheated before serving. There you have it. A simple, delicious, and festive Christmas tree appetizer that's sure to be a hit at your next holiday party. So go ahead, spread the cheer and share this recipe with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and creative recipe ideas. Happy holidays, everyone!